Fortsätter vara. Men nu är ju bilen tung. Exakt, och sen bara DC av och sen så bara kan man se märkena här liksom. And DC off. Oh yeah, we have to put this two-wheel drive. Yeah, warming up the tires before a launch. So two-wheel drive, second gear. It's so super controllable. And let's do a little launch.
We do the launch.
And we need to put DC off completely.
4 persons.
Oh, bye. Nice on the brakes. No, it's like it's so nice, so controllable with two-wheel drive. It's like surprising.
It's very good.
And MDM just do a little wheel spin.
It's very nice.
Yeah, with the MDM is hello kids.
Hello, drive, it works with the forward.
I have to look in front as well. Yeah, four-wheel drive. Then it's only performance, like
yeah, but with the MDM Sport, it worked.
Yeah, you can feel it. It was never too much, never too wide. Just and this is just incredible with like 4 people. Oh, and we should watch the times. We forgot. Yeah, 3.6, 200, a bit. And what was here? Maybe it didn't record 0 to 200. Oh, 11.9.
11.9 was quicker now.
11.8 actually. Yeah.
With 4 persons in the car.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No.
So. Yeah, so what did he do there?
I could not hold like this.
And yeah, it's like and sometimes it's really burbles. But imagine that
if Halim make this car,
yeah, with tuning,
yeah.
crazy because
Crazy, man.
OCP?
yeah, it's I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do one launch now, only with me. Yeah. .4 best 0 to 200. Okay, we are 4 people and we have HCP tuning Halim in a stock M5 F90. Actually it was here it was a good grip.
Yeah. Shut down the
exactly, yeah, like 0.
Let me just record as well from here.
Let's do a reset. Okay, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, and the important that the boost builds for like 2 seconds or so. I think for 1, 2. I'm a bit easy on the brakes, and we can do like this. Continue to record, and the fun thing, it's a complete playful car. See here, who has been doing those? And I think like it's good with second gear. Yes. For those playing. So.
How to drive this?
it's so easy. Let's see where the Porsche went. I think we need to do a one. That was a bit less control. But good after second gear,
very
it
nice driving goes down. No shit.
But considering it's full of people.
Yeah, but it's like driving alone.
Yeah.
Biles där på där. Vad är det?
Oh yeah, it's too much gravel. Yeah, it's okay.
Very nice.
And the nice thing, you could just do like this. Like now, everything is in comfort.
Yeah.
And it's like air conditioning on.
You're very good driver.
And, it's good that you were in place.
That's why.
And with two-wheel drive, I mean full control. It was DC completely off. So best is the second gear just coming out with some revs, and then paint with the whole second gear. You probably can do it with 0 to 100 3.2 every time. Incredible. Incredible. every time 3.2 at 23.5 degrees, almost 24 degrees. This is a dragster. Ten 10.4. 10.7. Yeah. Not bad. 10.7. Let's see if it was 0-200. 3.3. So after a few runs, it's pretty hot. And it's 23 degrees outside. Snapper rocks blue in the sun. 4K 60 frames per second, and the color still looks awesome. I was about to turn around there, but no, it's not. It was not worth it. Now the sun went away. It might come back. There's a lot of pigeons or whatever. Should have like pigeon shooting. So, I mean, in dull it's kind of the worst color. In the night it looks just completely amazing. Exhaust button pressed. Lights on. And people working endless with these renovations. Money is cheap. So let's see it from a distance. Damn, the M5 looks low from this angle. Super stealthy. looks a bit lower with a dark diffuser, but I mean, it kind of reminds me when, you know, as like on the Berlingo there, when you have like this unpainted bumper, even though it's painted in black, it's still somewhat yeah, looks not well. Okay, I was thinking I should give a little additional view on the M5 competition in Snapper Rocks Blue, which amazingly enough is a standard M5 color. Actually, I was first on the M2, I assume. Anyway, I wanted to film a little bit in the sun, and I think it's actually a great color for the M5. It's so sporty, and it's, I mean, it could have been a gray, dark Donington thing, boring gray. Instead of it's a super sporty color that looks like most people hate, but I just think it's lovely just because it's special. And when driving the M5, I have a habit of having the headlights on, these gorgeous LED intelligent headlights. See the dark thing here? So that's like a option. And love these seats, however quite firm. And for best sound in the car, you have the seats folded. That's a trick I learned from old M5 E39 times. Of course, now the sun went down, but I'm gonna film it from the front from another angle.